Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this presentation on DTC B2986, indicating an open in the recirculation control motor circuit for the Honda Civic models from 2011 to 2015. This diagnostic trouble code signals a malfunctioning component within the vehicle's climate control system, specifically relating to the recirculation control motor. The recirculation control motor is essential in regulating the cabin air, allowing the driver to switch between outside air and recirculated air. An issue here can lead to ineffective climate control, affecting passenger comfort. Recognizing and addressing this DTC promptly is crucial to maintaining optimal vehicle performance and ensuring a pleasant driving experience. Let's delve into the specifics of this issue, including detailed descriptions, possible causes, symptoms, and a structured troubleshooting process. The diagnostic trouble code B2986 is specifically related to the recirculation control motor, which plays a vital role in managing the vehicle's ventilation system. This motor is responsible for controlling whether outside air or recirculated air is used in the cabin, thereby influencing comfort levels for passengers. Its location near the climate control unit enables it to work closely with other components to maintain the desired cabin temperature. A malfunction indicated by DTC B2986 suggests that there is an open circuit in this motor's control circuit, impacting its ability to function correctly. When a circuit is open, it disrupts the flow of electrical current, leading to the failure of the recirculation control motor. Hence, understanding the location and role of this component is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Several potential causes can lead to the activation of DTC B2986. The most common reason is an open circuit in the wiring associated with the recirculation control motor. This could result from wear and tear, external damage, or loose connections over time. Another possibility is a faulty recirculation control motor itself, which may not operate even when receiving the correct signals from the climate control unit. Lastly, if the climate control unit fails, it may not send the correct commands to the recirculation control motor, leading to erroneous operations. Each of these issues requires inspection and testing to determine the exact source of the fault, enabling efficient repairs. When dealing with DTC B2986, the symptoms experienced in the Honda Civic can significantly affect passenger comfort. One common symptom is a noticeable malfunction in the climate control system, where the system may not respond as expected when adjusting air intake settings. This can lead to inconsistent air pressure levels inside the cabin, causing discomfort, especially on extreme temperature days. Additionally, you may notice dashboard warning lights illuminating, alerting the driver to an underlying issue. Unusual noises from the climate control unit can also occur if the motor is struggling to operate. Addressing these symptoms promptly can prevent further damage to other climate control components. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B2986 is to verify the presence of the fault code itself. You can start this by clearing the DTC using a Honda Diagnostic System HDS scanner. Once cleared, turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to the on position. Or alternatively, use the engine start-stop button to select the off mode and then return to on. After doing this, perform a self-diagnostic function through the HDS or the climate control unit to ascertain if the DTC reappears. If DTC B2986 is indicated again, you can proceed to the next step in the troubleshooting guide. If not, this could indicate an intermittent failure, drawing attention to potential loose wires or poor connections in the recirculation control motor circuit. In the second troubleshooting step, you'll focus on checking for an open wire condition in the recirculation control motor circuit. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the lock position or using the engine start-stop button to select off mode. Disconnect the climate control unit 32P connector and the recirculation control motor 7P connector. Using a multimeter, check for continuity between specified test points. For the RFDP, FRDP test, check the climate control unit 32P connector number 9 and the corresponding pin at the recirculation control motor 7P connector. Repeat the process for S_5V S5V and SensorCom tests, as detailed in the diagnostic procedure. If continuity exists, the wiring is intact, and you can proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if an open circuit is located, repairs should be made immediately to restore proper functionality. A final troubleshooting step involves checking the functionality of the recirculation control motor itself. After ensuring proper wire connections and continuity, it's essential to physically test the motor. You should perform operational tests to determine if it responds correctly to commands from the climate control unit. If the recirculation control motor operates as expected, the issue may reside in the climate control unit, which would require replacement. However, if the motor is non-functional, it should be replaced immediately to restore effective climate control capabilities. Always ensure that any replacement components are compatible with the Honda Civic model from 2011 to 2015 to prevent further electrical issues. Once repairs have been made, verification is essential to confirm that the DTC B2986 has been resolved. Begin by checking for any DTCs again using the HDS to ensure that the error code is no longer present. Following this, perform a comprehensive test of the entire climate control system to assess its operational efficiency. Ensure that the recirculation control motor now functions smoothly without any irregularities. This final verification step is crucial as it confirms that the root cause of the issue has been addressed. If everything operates correctly, the repair can be deemed successful, ensuring comfortable cabin conditions for passengers. Prevention is always better than cure, especially regarding car maintenance. Following the diagnosis and repair of DTC B2986, it's important to implement preventive maintenance to avoid reoccurrence of similar issues. Regular inspections of the recirculation control motor and its related wiring are recommended to ensure that all connections remain secure and undamaged. It is also good practice to adhere to a regular service schedule as outlined by the Honda manufacturer's guidelines. This proactive approach not only extends the life of individual components, but also contributes to a seamless driving experience. By staying vigilant, you can catch potential failures before they manifest into more significant problems. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC B2986 is essential for maintaining your Honda Civic's climate control functionality. By following a structured troubleshooting approach, you can accurately identify the root cause and make the necessary repairs. This presentation has outlined the detailed steps for error verification, wiring checks, and the testing of the recirculation control motor. Moreover, implementing preventative measures will help extend the longevity of your vehicle's climate control system, ensuring a more enjoyable driving experience. Proper maintenance and prompt attention to these codes not only enhance vehicle performance, but also protect your investment in the long run. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.